Alright, today I'm going to show you how to wash pots and pans right here. I have pots and pans, and I also have a fork that needs to be washed, but I'm going to show you how I wash it because I don't put them inside of the dishwasher because it can ruin them, so I do it by hand. So one thing that I do is sometimes when you're washing with pots and pans, food gets stuck on it, and so I typically like to add water to it and maybe a little bit of the detergent and perhaps let it soak. Let it soak overnight or soak a couple hours. That will loosen it up and allow cleaning to become easier when it comes down to washing the pots and pans. So after you've soaked it, I generally pour out the water, and then I just add a little bit of soap to my brush right here. I have this right here, long neck brush, and also have a closer one, so like when I need to get in the nitty gritty. So I just simply take the brush and keep on going around it like that. And you can see there's some food stuck on the edge of this. Sometimes you can just take your finger and pull it off. If not, just brush it a little bit and focus in the same area for a couple of strokes, like perhaps 10-15 strokes, with a soft tipped brush. And you know that this is coated with a non-stick coating, so you don't want to take it off, so you don't use metal on this. The only time I ever would use metal would be with a die cast pan, so I did that. Just go along the back, get the edges like that, and then I'm just going to sit this to the side. And my method with sitting it to the side, I'll throw these bowls inside of the dishwasher. Sitting it to the side, it allows everything that is stuck on there to rehydrate, therefore it will come off easier. So I just set this aside, and then I have another one. I still have soap on my brush, so I simply just go ahead and take this and just keep on going around every spot. May need a little bit of soap, more soap. Yes, I use a lot of soap when I'm hand washing. And I go around like this. And then I get the outside of the pot right here. See that? Make sure you get the handles like that. And then I just set this to the side too and allow the soap and the scrubbing action to penetrate. Put this to the side, that goes in the dishwasher. And then I have pots down here. I have a fork. I promise I'd wash that. Just simply go with that and wash that. Okay. So these have been soaking overnight. So I have that. And I'm going to take the brush and then go around in those actions. Now I like to use this shorthand brush, short arm brush, because it allows me to get closer to the pan and actually apply a little bit more pressure. Now, like I said, I'm not using metal because it will scratch this pot, and I don't want that. So I'm going to take this. Remember to get the handles. Get the handles really good. Set that to the side. And then we also have a top. Now these tops are fairly easy. They don't usually have things stuck on them, so they don't require a whole lot of soaking. So put that in there. And now we're down to the bottom. Now this is copper right here, so you'll want to make sure you don't scratch this or use any products that could damage the copper. Let's do that. The inside. Add a little bit of water to it, maybe a little bit more soap. Just go on inside like that. Put this up. And then this last one right here, this is not a pot, this is actually a lid. I'm going to get this. Alright, so now I have all of this. I want to go ahead and rinse out these a little bit. I might have to use it if things aren't coming up. And I just have hot water. Now it's important to use hot water, not scalding hot water, but hot water enough to where the fats that were on the pot will not solidify and will come off with the detergent. So I rinse it like this, and then put that away to dry. This pot. Go ahead and rinse this fork. Now, pots can be heavy, so you want to make sure you have a good grip on the pot when you're washing it. And then this right here. Take that. Rinse that out. Rinse the lid. And you see sometimes you miss some spots. And I'm just going to take this brush and a little bit, drop more soap, and focus in on that spot that I missed. And just go like that. Then I have this last copper one. Rinse that just like that. And then the top. And all the pots are washed right now. And so last thing, I just simply take the brush, put a little bit of soap on it, and just go all in the sink. Make sure you scrub it pretty well. And then just rinse the sink out. There's food or anything. Let the garbage disposal take care of it. And just rinse out the sink. And that is how you wash pots and pans. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.